think that the market is gonna shifting and making a lot of movement on the following days. I have myself some setup, some pattern that I can see. I think it will move in the next couple of days. So let's start. First one would be gold. What would the gold? If you look at the higher time frame, you can see that there's a reaction over here. Maybe so we have the three touches, so this would be our support zone because the price has stopped moving. Okay, and I am expecting for a reversal, bullish into around this area. Why is this area? Because if you look at this area, we have a breakout. We have a breakout on this low. Okay, and the price has not retested yet. So with this low being broken, I am expecting with the low has been broken and a new support has formed. I am expecting for a reversal. It would be possible when price closing above breakout this high on H1 time frame. So I am following on gold. And the next pairs I'm looking for is the chase Japan, the Japan yen. Okay, so on for the yen, I noticed it's clearly a downtrend. It's clearly a downtrend, and the price has somehow breakout structure, and it has gone for a while now. So like I'm expecting for a retracement into this area for a retest, and then the price will continue the bearish movement. Okay, I'm expecting for a retest for ideally, but maybe it will touch the EMA. The EMA. Same thing with the power the yen. Same thing with the power the yen. A retest, and then it will continue to dump. Yeah. And how about for the pairs that has not moved yet? I am looking for the pound, the British pound. If you look at the daily time frame, I can see that this could be a reversal. I'm expecting for a reversal because the price is a bit higher at the moment. Price accumulation a lot, impulse, and then correction, and then impulse again. When you look at H4, it's a strong impulse, and then it's consolidated it correction, then impulse again, and I think that the price need to retrace a pullback for the if in order the pullback to happen. I'm looking for a change up character or a market structure break. So on H1 I have this low, and you can see that the price has not making a new high. So we have this one as a key level for market structure break. So that would be our first indication that the price might reverse or may reverse. And also with the pound and the dollars, I am expecting for on H4 you can see that the price has shifted. See, the price is making a new low. Price is making a new low over here, and somehow the price does not retrace a lot, and I am looking for a breakout at the moment. So expecting for the price to drop into the support zone over here, because you can see this area the price has stopped moving, forming support. That will be our trading ideas for the upcoming days.